Hello everyone, good day. So this is my oral presentation 2 for English phonetic and phonology, which is related to phonemic analysis. Okay, what is phonemic analysis? The phonemic analysis is actually will reveal if the studied phonemes or allophones of the particular language are in complementary distribution, contrastive, contrastive distribution, free variation. The complementary distribution phonemes are said to be in complementary distribution if they never occur in the same phonetic environment. So that's what the phonemic analysis. So it is also one of the phonology problem. Phonology disorder is a type of speech sound disorder. Speech sound disorder are the inability to correct form of sound of words. Speech sound disorder also include the articulation disorder, dysphalancy, and voice disorder. So in the what is the problem in phonemic analysis? So there are two main ideas of difficulty of learning about the phonology of English. The first will be called the problem of analysis of the phonemic system of English. It is clear that phonemic analysis is not as clear and simple as studying the letter of alphabet. The second area of difficulty will be called the problem of assignment. We can find many cases where it is difficult to assign a particular speech sound to a particular phoneme. Okay, problem analysis. A fricative and the D3 are phonetically composed of plosive followed by a fricative. It is possible to treat each of the pair and as a single consonant phoneme, and it is also possible to say they are composed of two phonemes, each either already established as independent phonemes of English. We call the two phonemes analysis of T and D3. Are there are several arguments and no single one of them is conclusive, but added together to make the phoneme analysis seems preferable. These are some argument. One argument could be called phonetic or allophonic. In fact, there is some allophonic evidence that support the two phoneme analysis. We can find this in the occurrence of glottalization. So, one consonant phoneme occurring medially, there is no glottalization is found. Two consonant phonemes occurring medially, the glottalization is normal according to medially. The glottalization is normal after a stressed syllable. It could be argued that the purpose of phoneme and the distribution similar to other consonant and the other consonant of plosive plus fricative do not. However, several consonants are accepted as phoneme of RP despite not being free to occur in all positions. So this argument supporting the one phoneme analysis. So finally, it has been suggested that if native speakers of English who have not been taught phonetic feel that T and D3 are each one sound, the problem with this is that discovering that untrained or native speaker feels about their own language is not as easy as it might sound, but the result will be distorted by the fact that two consonant letters are used in the spelling. So, what is the function of intonation? The most important function of intonation are to distinguish types of sentence such as statement, question, commands, requests, and to divide sentence into sense group. Intonation also allows speaker to express various emotions. In other words, in linguistics, intonation is a variation in spoken pitch when used not for distinguishing words as semems, a concept known as tone, which is a concept known as tone, but rather for a range of other functions such as indicating the attitude and emotion of the speaker, signaling and the difference between statement and question and between. How much function the intonation actually have? The intonation has several functions. It allows the speaker to convey emotion and attitudes in speech, such as finality, joy, sadness, and other. Intonation also allows the speaker to stress certain words. It is to make the statement, the sentence, more emotional. So there are three types of intonation, which is the falling intonation, the rising intonation, and the fall rise intonation. The intonation is actually refer to our emotion. When your emotion falling down, your voice is also falling down. When your emotion is rise, when your spirit is rise, the intonation is also rising. And the fall rise intonation is actually when you explain something, explain a story, because in a story they are falling and rising. So these are the intonation. So that's all for my oral presentation too. Thank you everyone, and good day.